This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game and MoonLoader versions. Mismatches cause crashes, so you fix that first. Once done, install Visual C++ x86 and DirectX June 2010 because runtime libraries are required for native modules. Make sure to back up your scripts and config. This prevents accidental loss. Run the Samp launcher and MoonLoader as administrator to grant required file access. These steps remove the most common startup errors and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting. Next, focus on scripts and modules. You remove deprecated Lua or DLL files that often throw exceptions. Then enable verbose logging in MoonLoader's config to capture stack traces and missing symbols. Logs reveal the how and why of failures. Once logging is active, load scripts one at a time to pinpoint the culprit. If a module depends on an external DLL, check export names and 32-bit versus 64-bit compatibility. This methodical narrowing saves time and prevents guesswork. To finish, reinstall the MoonLoader core to replace corrupted files and verify checksums to ensure integrity. After that, reapply correct file permissions and temporarily disable other mods that hook the same functions, because conflicts often manifest as crashes. Restart Samp between changes to test effects. If things go wrong, focus on the log error code and the exact message. Searching that string reveals targeted fixes and community patches. Persist with one change at a time until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.